Over the next few minutes, I will be revealing to you easy ways to avoid common causes of back pain that we mostly used to have. Make sure you watch till the end. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel so that you won't miss other interesting videos like this, and you will also be notified whenever we upload a new video. Back pain is one of the world's most basic medical issues. As per the World Health Organization, it is additionally in the best 10 ailments and wounds representing handicap balanced life years, number of years lost because of sick health. It can influence individuals of all ages, possibly influencing their work life and general prosperity. Luckily, there are some straightforward procedures that you can use to stay away from the regular reasons for back pain. This video will identify those techniques and explain how they can also reduce the level of back pain you are currently experiencing. What are the regular reasons for back pain? The human back is a complex system of muscles, bones, ligaments, and tendons. These segments must cooperate to help the body and empower development. The spine also contains cartilage-like pads which are called discs. They give padding between the segments of the spine. Issues influencing any of the parts of the back can prompt back issues. The most well-known reasons for back issues include 1. Physical overexertion. Inaccurately getting exceptionally overwhelming things or more than once twisting around can strain the muscles, ligaments and tendons in the back. Pain from overexertion can happen rapidly or take numerous months to show up. 2. Injury. Back pain is regularly brought about by a physical issue from a mishap. The most widely recognized mishaps that cause back wounds incorporate vehicle crashes, impacts on the wearing field, and falls. These wounds may incorporate cracked plates, broken bones, and torn tendons or ligaments. 3. Medical conditions. An assortment of ailments can cause back pain, including osteoporosis, cancer of the spine, sleep disorder, kidney issues, joint pain, and sciatica. At times, these conditions can't be restored, so the pain they cause must be overseen. 4. Ruptured or swelling discs. The discs between every vertebra in the spine can now and again crack or change shape. At the point when this occurs, more weight is put on the nerves in the back, possibly causing back issues. 5. Poor posture. Having poor posture can in the long run add to pain in the back and may even cause long-term damage. How to avoid the common causes of back pain? 1. Seek chiropractic help. Acquiring chiropractic treatment is one of the best approaches to diminish back pain. A chiropractor is a clinical expert who is prepared to recognize and treat musculoskeletal issues of the human body. They can distinguish the underlying drivers of your pain and propose medications that address them. A portion of the manners in which that a chiropractor can assist you with keeping away from reasons for pain include: ensuring your spine is accurately adjusted. Chiropractic treatment includes arrangement of the spine and different joints in the body. Remedying the arrangement of your joints will forestall untimely wear and can diminish the probability of torment happening. Identifying any issues with your posture. Chiropractors can analyze and address postural issues that cause back pain. Diagnosing any genuine basic ailments or wounds causing back pain. Chiropractors can likewise recognize different genuine medical issues that may possibly add to pain, like ruptured discs and sciatica. 2. Sleep on your back. At the point when you are plunking down, strolling, running, and lifting objects throughout the day, your spine can get compacted. Setting down on your back allows your spine to recover, lessening the probability of back pain. 3. Exercise more. Exercise that reinforces the center muscles can be helpful for decreasing or maintaining a strategic distance from back pain. The center muscles are the muscles found in the stomach area and lower back. In the event that these muscles are very much evolved, they will remove strain from the tendons and ligaments in the back, which can diminish pain levels. Having a solid center likewise lessens the danger of a back physical issue happening. 4. Get a decent pair of shoes. On the off chance that you are on your feet for significant stretches, buy a top-notch pair of shoes that fit your feet well. This will guarantee that your body has a steady and even base that underpins your legs and back. It will assist you with maintaining a strategic distance from back issues related with tendon, muscle or ligament strains. 5. Have regular massages. Massages can assist with loosening up the muscles in your back and increment blood stream. This can assist you with staying adaptable, forestalling pain, identifying with sore muscles and tendons. 6. Have clinical issues analyzed. On the off chance that you have unexplained back pain, it is a smart thought to see a specialist. They will have the option to run tests to check your general health and recognize any health conditions that might be causing your pain. Your primary care physician may likewise assist you with distinguishing medical issues before they compound and cause significantly more pain. 7. Practice great ergonomics and improve your posture. Great posture includes standing, sitting, and moving in a way that diminishes the measure of strain on your body. At the point when you display great posture, your joints will be very much adjusted, diminishing the danger of injury or mileage on the joints in the back. This reduces the risk of long-term injuries occurring which cause back pain. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below and let us know what you think, and also hit the subscribe button never to miss any updates from us. More amazing secrets and tips will keep coming. Join us on the healthy side of life. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have handpicked for you to enjoy next. Stay healthy.